A very wonderful morning to one and all present here. Myself Vasudha from MV Convent Inter College presenting you to all a representation regarding several issues and their solutions which were emerged by climate change, using of more energy consumptions and exploitation of fossil fuels and the environment. I would like to ask some questions to you all. Is this life possible on another planet besides the earth, or is this possible to make artificial food, or is this possible to make artificial rain, artificial whatever? If we use a technology, the word suffix which means artificial is added in our compound. But what's the actually artificial meats? It meets daily consumptions, and it used as a catalyst in our environment. If we are talking about problems which were emerged by a climate change, increasing of carbon dioxide gas in our atmosphere, and deforestation, afforestation, and what kind of like soil erosion, and there are several issues which were emerged by exploitation of natural vegetations that might be very harmful for our upcoming generation, and it should remove all the renewable resources from our environment. Now I would like to share my experience. What I face is, if for last few years, whenever I was walking in like environment, I saw so many problems which shake the idea of artificial photosynthesis in my mind. Then I realized that it is most convenient way to satisfy the need of our consumptions. What is artificial photosynthesis actually means? It actually means the development and the scientific innovation and creation of our scientists which work for a long decades in this field. The artificial photosynthesis means capturing CO2 in an artificial way. If we successful in this artificial photosynthesis, we would solve lot of problems which were related to our ecosystem, because this is the major efficient of this technological era. So we conclude that the artificial photosynthesis promises us to resolve our problems which were emerged by increasing in our global warming, increasing in earth temperature, increasing in carbon dioxide gas in our atmosphere, as well as environment degradation and exploitation of natural vegetations. So it is a very efficient method to produce food in artificial way, and to promote the human sustainable development, as well as it also develop the country